Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So today I'm gonna help you troubleshooting and fix a problem, the starting problem. Um, if so, for the Honda motorcycle, there's two safety switch that won't let you start your motorcycle when you turn it on. When you're trying to start it. So the two safety is one is from the safety switch, one is from your side stand, right? And if you have your side stand down, and if you in gear, you cannot start your motorcycle. And also the second safety is right here. It's right on the clutch lever right here. So if you don't if you in first, let's say you in first gear, if you didn't pull in your clutch, you cannot start your motorcycle. So that's the two safety, right? So for if you have the problem I was saying, like let's say you at the stop sign and then you pop your clutch, so you need to start your motorcycle again, and you couldn't do it after you pull in the clutch. That means there's something wrong with your safety switch right here, because you should able to do it. Imagine you cannot do it and you have to switch back into neutral and then go back into first gear, then start your motorcycle, then start going, right? So enable to test this. So right here there's a safety switch, and what you need is you need the multimeter, and you need to have it on continuous right here. So what happened is it should beep. Let's say the two connect together, right? The positive and negative connect together. You see the beep, see? Because the current continue going to the negative to the positive. Now, to test the safety switch right here, it's really easy, right? So what happened if you have your clutch all the way out like this? The safety switch should be open, which means the current cannot go through, so you won't hear any beep. See, if I connect both of them together, see, it doesn't beep, right? But if you pull the clutch together, right? You pull the clutch in, and then you connect. You should hear the beep. That means the current go through it, right? See? So all you do is that's what you will do. You test it and see if it works or not, right? So if you pull in the clutch, it should make the sound. If you touch both then it should make the sound, right? But if you release the clutch, there should be no sound. There's no continuity going through it, right? So that's the first thing you do test, right? If you test that, and if it doesn't open or doesn't close when you pull in the clutch lever, and then that means there is something wrong right on either the switch is something wrong, or either you install wrong, right? So for me, when I first bought this, it does not work, and I did find out the problem is when if you release this the screw right here, if you remove this, you should able to take the lever out, and then you can remove the switch by have a flathead or something like that. You push this in, and it should come out. So all you do is just insert in like this. So what you need to do is, for me, the problem is someone, when they install this in, they didn't install it all the way in. They didn't flush it all the way in. So that's why the switch is always open. So if the switch is always open, that's why I couldn't start the motorcycle when it's in first year. So gear. So that's how I fix it. So I use a screwdriver, and I kind of push it a little bit harder, so the switch itself is flush in all the way in. So now I got the problem solved. So if you have the same problem and you test the way I show you how to test it, and you still, when you press it in, pull in the lever, and it still didn't open or didn't close, make sure you open this up, take out the lever right here, and then try to remove the switch and test it to make sure the switch is working. If the switch is working, then try to reinstall it and try to make sure that it's all the way flush in, right? If it doesn't, then it might not work. So so after you tested it with the multimeter, and let's say the switch is working, and you're trying to flush it in all the way in, it should work after that. But if you take the lever out and then you test the switch, and then if the switch still not working, then there's something wrong with the switch. So all you need to do is just you can buy this thing is online, or you can buy it on eBay. I think sometimes they have it and sometimes you don't, and get that replaced. So hopefully that will help you. This video will help you troubleshoot to save this switch, and hopefully you find it useful. So that's it for this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. Alright? Okay.